Here we have 5 juvenile tortoises that have been rescued all the way from Obiu Sierra in Odukwane local government of Cross River. The young animals in this farming season become particularly vulnerable to hunting and capture by farmers who are clearing the wetlands that have gone dry. During the clearing farming activity that has just started, the season is on right now because the rivers have receded, the wetlands have become dry. So wetland farming is currently ongoing because a lot of crops are planted so that before the rainy season becomes very serious, around July, most of those crops have been harvested and sold. So at this season, quite a lot, of farming activity goes on. Quite a lot of these animals are captured by the farmers, and many of them are traded in the open market. Others are eaten at home as bushmeat. A number of them also keep them as pets. But here at the Biodiversity Preservation Center, we have our people at the community who are very committed to conservation. Someone like Mr. Onoyum, otherwise known as Alaji. Alaji has been working with us with the Manatee Project and is also a very committed person. Today, he was able to rescue these tortoises from being eaten, and he has brought them to the BPC Tortoise Rescue Center, which is sponsored by the Critical Ecosystem Partnership Fund and the BirdLife International. So today, we're going to put these tortoises in their quarantine, observe them, and see how they are going to remain under this facility. Possibly, when we have done more community conservation education and sensitization, we hopefully return them to the same habitat where the communities have set aside for conservation. This is a good one because these tortoises are endangered, and because they are endangered, we need to protect them and then protect their habitat. Habitat recently is suffering a lot of perturbation through cattle grazing, a phenomenon that has never been in this area before. But due to the huge influx of cattle grazers from the north into this area, the whole habitat is being threatened by bush burning and unwholesome grazing activities. So we're happy today because these individuals will survive. They will not be cooked in the soup pot. Thank you, Alaji, and thank you, BPC. Most especially, thank you to our sponsors, the Critical Ecosystem Partnership Fund,